Hello everybody, my name is Radhika and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're watching me for the first time, please consider subscribing and click on the bell icon right next to it so that every time I upload a video, you will get notified about it. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about my skincare and hair care empties. Some of these products I have used completely because I absolutely loved them, and some of them I have used completely so that I could give them a fair chance to perform. So if you want to know those products, please keep on watching. The first product that I want to talk about is a sunscreen, and that is this. This is the La Shield Physico Matte Sunscreen Gel. This one has SPF 50. Honestly speaking, I did not like this product at all. It felt very greasy on my face. It felt very heavy on my face, and my face is oily, and this one actually made it more greasy. I used it during winters because my skin tends to get a little drying towards this area of my face, which is why I could use it during winters. But during summers, for oily skin people, especially who are acne prone, this is a big no. If you have dry skin, you could use this one, but if you have dry and acne prone, I would still not suggest this one to you. Next product that I want to talk about is from Plum. It's their Plum alcohol-free green tea toner, and this is what it looks like. Honestly speaking, I absolutely love this product. It is an amazing toner. It's very gentle on the skin. If you are someone who's just starting out your active based journey or active based products journey, and if your skin is completely active virgin, you've never used any kind of active ever on your skin, you can start with this one because it's very gentle on the skin, and it is perfect for people who are just thinking of starting out with actives. Perfect for beginners is what I'm trying to say here. It is an amazing toner. It's very gentle on the skin. Yes, it does have added perfume, so you might want to give a patch test, which actually implies to all active based products that you will have to do a patch test before you start using it full-fledgedly in your skincare routine. But seriously, I absolutely love this one. This is probably my third bottle, and I am going to repurchase this again. Next product is also from Plum. It's the Plum Green Tea Mattifying Moisturizer, and this is what it looks like. It is an amazing moisturizer for people with oily combination and acne prone skin type. Works amazingly, moisturizes the skin amazingly. I wouldn't recommend this one to be used in winters because it tends to dry out the skin during winters, because especially even if you have oily skin, the harsh winters can dry out your skin, so it can feel a little drying on the skin, especially during winters. But during summers, it's a perfect one. If you are looking for a gentle active based moisturizer, you can definitely go for this one. Next product that I want to talk about in this list is this Himalayan Organics Bhringraj Anti-Hair Fall Shampoo, and this is what it looks like. Honestly speaking, I don't like this product at all. It is very slimy. It has a very slimy texture, and it is very difficult to get rid of from your scalp. It takes a lot of water to actually get rid of the scalp, which is also one of the reasons why I do not like it. It is an anti-hair fall shampoo, but honestly, I gave this one a fair share. I had 2 bottles. This is my second bottle, which is also almost just this much, and I'm using the remaining only to clean off my brushes, just by the way. But honestly, for the scalp, it did nothing. It made my scalp even more itchier. It was a difficult task to get rid of from the scalp and from the hair to wash it off, is what I mean, and it is something that I really don't like at all. The next product that I want to talk about in the list is the Amritam Kuntal Care Do-It-Yourself Hair Spa, and this is what the bottle looks like. It's completely empty, which actually shows the fact that I've used it completely, and I'm actually on my second bottle right now, and this is what the full package actually looks like. Well, can you see the happiness on my face while I'm actually talking about this product? That is only and only because I absolutely love this product. It is an amazing product which is 100% natural, 100% Ayurvedic. Absolutely love this one. The first thing that I initially fell in love with was its fragrance, and then over a period of time I fell in love with the formulation. This one bottle lasted me for more than a month, let me just tell you. It is slightly on the pricey side, but honestly speaking, it is worth every penny that you pay for it. Next product that I want to talk about is yet another Amrutam product, and it is the kind of product that I don't hate completely, or it is not something that did not impress me completely, but it is also not the kind of product that I would gravitate towards again, which is the Amrutam Kuntal Care shampoo. And this is what it looks like. It's completely empty because I had to anyway, get over with it. But honestly speaking, I was not very happy with it. It made my hair very frizzy, did not make my scalp itchy or anything of that sorts. But yes, it did make my hair a little frizzy, but honestly speaking, it was not the kind of frizziness that could not tame down with a hair serum. I did not see a lot of difference by using this on my scalp or on my hair or hair strands or whatever. I did not see any difference at all, so I won't actually gravitate towards this. But I actually know people who have seen effects with this, so if you want to give it a try, link is in the description. The next product that I want to talk about is a Juicy Chemistry product. It is the Juicy Chemistry Blood Orange and Rosehip Organic Lip Balm, and this is what it looks like. Honestly speaking, it is an amazing lip balm. It did work. It worked very slowly, but it did work on my lip pigmentation as well. I don't have a lot of it, so I did not see a lot of difference, but I know people who had a lot of pigmentation issues on their lips, and it worked amazingly for them. The best thing that I love about this is you apply this at night, and the next morning you will wake up with soft and moisturized lips. And there are days that sometimes I feel lazy in doing my nighttime skincare routine, but no matter what happens, I don't skip applying this at night, because I know that if I apply this at night, the next morning I'm going to wake up with the most moisturized lips ever. The next product that I have in the list is from Dot & Key. It's their Dot & Key Zit Zapping Skin Clarifying Face Serum, and this is what the packaging looks like. Trust me, this is completely empty. Okay, it is completely empty. I love this product. It was a tad bit slow in showing its effect, because I was using it only once, but my sister has used this twice a day on her face, and it has shown amazing results to her. The one off about Dot & Key products in general, and not just about this one, is that they have a lot of fragrance in their products, which I think Dot & Key should actually just go down with, because formulations are more important than perfume filled products, because literally their products are all perfumed filled. We are not looking for perfume filled products here. I don't have a problem with perfume or added fragrances in my skincare, because I actually love them, because I don't have any kind of side effects from the added fragrances that any kind of product have. But there are people who have. Okay, so by adding a lot of perfume in their in their products, they're actually narrowing down the audience, or their target audience whom they want their products to use, because mostly people do have problem with products that have added fragrances. So that's one off about this, or all the Dot & Key products in general. But otherwise, if you're talking about the performance, it's really nice. Do a patch test if it works for you, and if the perfume added in this does not show any side effects, I'm sure it's going to be amazing on your skin. The next product is a very budget friendly dupe of the Bioderma Micellar Water, because Bioderma is very expensive, and this one has almost a similar kind of formulation. You guys must have guessed it by now. It is the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. This is the non-oil infused one. It comes in oil infused as well. You can purchase the one according to your preference, but this is amazing. Okay, I absolutely love this one. I started using this, I think not this particular bottle, I mean this micellar water. I started using it, I think, in around 2018 or something, and trust me, there has been no looking back. I absolutely love this product. It is amazing for removing the makeup from your face. It is very gentle on the skin, and it removes makeup amazingly. It's an amazing cleanser, and you should give this one a try. Last but not the least, and that is the Wow Skin Science product. This is the 2-in-1 shampoo and body wash in oud fragrance, and its fragrance is so beautiful, and it lingers on your body all day long. The fragrance is a slight bit harsh. If you just directly open it from here and smell it, you will feel it a little harsh, but honestly it is amazing. It smells amazing. It literally transports me back to my UAE days, the days that I have spent in UAE. It literally transports me there. I absolutely love this one, and the best part is that it has shea butter and vitamin E, which helps in moisturizing the skin really nicely. It moisturizes the skin really nicely. So almost half of my work of moisturizing the skin is done by just taking bath with this one, because after I take bath using this, I don't have to apply a lot of moisturizer on my skin to moisturize my skin. That's about it for today's video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment down below and let me know how you like this video. I would love to hear it from you guys. Also follow me on Instagram. The links to all my social media handles are given in the description below. Share this video with your family and friends, and if you and your family and friends haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do that. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye. Stay home, stay safe.